Hi everyone, it's Lisa from A Simple Season. Today I'm going to be tackling a bit of kitchen organization and going through some of those trouble areas that are in my kitchen. And I'm going to be using some low-cost, budget, or free solutions to help tackle some of those trouble spots. So let's go along and see how we do. So this is what my kitchen looks like, and we're going to be tackling a couple of areas that are a little bit of a problem for me, and one of them is this cabinet right over here, and then the second area is this corner cupboard right over here. But this is what my kitchen looks like. So I don't have a ton of cabinet space, as you can see, so I need to maximize the space that I have. But it looks pretty nice and tidy, doesn't it? Except for this area right here, which is your behind the scenes look at everything I cleared off the counter to make the kitchen look tidy for the video. So one of the trouble areas I have in my kitchen is this corner cupboard right here. And it's a great cupboard. I love it because it stores a lot and it's really deep, but it's just hard to get at everything. So here I've got like wax paper and tin foil and all that kind of stuff. And then down here I've got like oils and vinegars and like Pam spray and all that. So I'm going to figure out a solution to make this a little bit more accessible and easier to handle. And I think I got an idea that I think will work quite well. Yeah, so I just really want to have a solution that will alleviate that sort of mess. So I'm going to start by pulling everything out of this cupboard, giving it a little wipe, and then we'll put everything back in with what I hope will create a good solution for the storage in this cupboard. So as I mentioned, I don't really have much of a budget to organize my kitchen. So I found this old Tupperware container and it didn't have a lid, but I think this is going to be perfect to just slide right in here and put my tin foil and my sandwich bags and wax paper and parchment and everything else, so that when I actually need something, I can just pull out the whole bin, use what I want, and slide it back in. So I'm pretty happy with that solution. And then down here is where I had all my oils and vinegars and all that kind of stuff. And I found this Lazy Susan at the thrift store. So I'm going to put that in and load it up with all of my oils and vinegars. This is great. So now whenever I want something, I can just turn it and I can grab whatever it is I need. The other problem area I have in my kitchen is this cupboard right here, and I'll show you what it looks like inside. So if I open it up, there it is. We'll see if I can pan the camera down. What a mess. Oh my goodness. So what happens is every couple of months I organize it and clean it out, and then after a while it just looks like this again. So I'm going to see if I can come up with a better solution to corral some of this stuff. So because I don't have a lot of cupboards and cabinets in my kitchen, I opted to hang my pots on this hanging pot rack, which I absolutely love. It is so convenient for me to have the pots hung up like that. So because they are on the pot rack, the lids need to be stored in my cupboard, and I actually have them in my cupboard that's in one of my problem areas. So I'll show you how I have them in there and how we're going to reorganize them. So this is a rack I found at the thrift store, and it's designed to hold, I'm not sure what it's for, but I use it for my pan lids, my larger ones, to organize them, and it works really well. So I'm definitely going to continue using that because that really helps me a lot. So in keeping with our low budget theme for organization, I decided to use some bins to store some of my pantry items that I have in my kitchen. And these are just those little crates that you get when you buy mandarin oranges at Christmas time. So I had a couple of these and I'm going to use those. And then this is just another Tupperware container that I had that didn't have a lid, so I'm going to use this. And I needed one more, so this is kind of unconventional, I guess, but this was just a box that I had from Amazon, and I just cut a hole in it and turned it into a bin. So I'm going to use that so I can slide it right in there, and then when I want to get stuff, I can just slide it out and use the handle, and I'm going to organize that using all of these bins. So now I'm just going to go through everything here and get rid of anything that's stale or this that needs to be reorganized, and clearly all of it needs to be reorganized. So I pulled everything out, and it's good to go through everything because look what I found here. I've got barbecue corn chips and barbecue corn chips. So it's so easy to lose track of stuff. So it's good to go through it regularly so that way we can just stay on top of everything that you've got in your cupboards. I have this knitting basket that belonged to my mother-in-law, and I thought it was so cute with all the cats on it. I don't knit, but I thought, you know what? This will be perfect to hold my crackers and taco shells. And here's another Amazon box that I just repurposed, and I cut a hole in there so I can use it as a bin. And I just put all our salty snacks in there, and that's gonna slide right in. This cupboard right here, what I'm gonna do is take a hook, and it's just one of those little adhesive ones, and stick it on there. And then I'm gonna put some bowl clips on there so that when we open up a package of crackers or cookies or chips or whatever, we have some hooks here ready to go to seal those up. So here it is all done, and this is what it looks like now. So everything is nicely organized into bins. And this basket over here, I decided to do something a little bit different. So this is kind of a dump bin, but what I decided to do here was go through my pantry and all the things that needed to be used up, I decided to put in this bin. So right here, you'll see that I've got like a black check mark here. So what I've done is I go through my pantry and I put a black check mark on all the things that need to be used first. So they're either, you know, coming close to the date or at the date. So I'll put these in this basket. So I've got a few things here. I have like a can of soup and some green beans, and then I have this back here. And so that way I know when I'm making a meal, I should probably go here first and see what I can use up. And then same thing here, I have a black check mark on my cereal because I have a couple boxes of cereal in my pantry, and this is the one that needed to be used next. So that way if another member of my family goes down to my pantry, they know what to grab. If, you know, whatever they're looking for, they know what needs to be used next. And then this bin, I just had extra, it's empty, so I'm thinking I might use this one for bananas. Wow, it feels so good to have those trouble areas sorted, and life just feels a lot lighter and more organized. So thank you so much for joining in with me today, and we'll see you next time.